Hey everyone, it's Bitcoin Brian here with Bitcoin Fam, and today I'm going to do a video on Maple Finance. So if you could hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that will really help us out. So before I get going with the video today, I have to put out the disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. It's just my views and opinions and me sharing with you what I'm doing and looking at in the crypto space. So let's get right into it. Maple Finance. Lots of things happening with Maple Finance. The tokens used to be, here's Maple Finance on CoinGecko. It's ranked 467. So this is the thing. Their token used to be the MPL token. Well, they're doing a conversion from that to their new syrup token, which I'll go through in a little bit, that it gives it a lot more utility. And so anyway, we'll go through that in a little bit. So that's why you see Maple Finance. They're still called Maple Finance, but now their token is going to be syrup. And it's a very easy process to swap from one to the other. And we'll go through that in a little bit here. But anyway, here we are right now. The market cap is just under $97 million. Huge room for growth. It's only ranked 467. So this is a really small cap token. So, and fully diluted 153 million. You can see not a lot of trading volume on it right now, but I really think this is going to pick up. So anyway, I mean, it's good to for the little guys to be, building up their bags anyway. So you can see the total locked value already is over 102 million. And circulating supply, you can see the 737 million out of 1.17 billion. So you can see, I would say roughly like 65% or so of the tokens are in circulation. So anyway, so I go down here and this is the website. So right now, anyway, we'll go real quick. If people are looking to get into buying into Maple for the Maple Finance for the first time, make sure you buy the syrup token. The Maple token, the MPL token, is still available. But if you buy it, then you're going to have to send it to a wallet and have it converted. Which I'll go through anyway. But the markets that for us in the US that can buy syrup right now, let me go here. So right now, whoops, we'll go back to, you click right here on CoinGecko and you go to markets. And this will tell you where you can get it. And right now for us, you can get it on Kraken in the US. So that's where I've been buying the syrup token. I had Maple token, which I've already done the conversion. And I'm actually staking some of it now as well. And we'll go through that. So anyway, right now, I think the price is really good. It's down around 13 cents. It was down below that, but it's having a nice rebound. A little over 8% on the 24-hour. So anyway, let's go into Maple Finance. So here it is, Maple Finance. Just secure lending, redefined. So Maple Finance is an institutional level lending and borrowing company or qualified investors. So, but they're dealing with corporations and whatnot. So large sums of money are getting transferred in the DeFi sector. So you can see already Maple crosses over 600 million total value locked with secure lending products. So you can go through here and look at, excuse me, look at some stuff here. Whoops. We'll scroll through. You can see right now they can start lending. You have the blue chip secured target APY is 11%. High yield secured 15%, and lend and long 33%. That's pretty crazy. Total visibility and control. You can hear from their clients interested in borrowing. You can see over $6 billion in loans issued. That's huge. Tailored lending structure. So I really think they're going in definitely the right direction. They're to me, doing very well. Low cost operations. 85 plus institutional borrowers. So you can get on their mailing list if you want, receive news and opportunities straight to your inbox. So that actually, I'm going to do that just to see what's going on with them. So, but I'll do that after this video. But yeah, I'm going to definitely connect to their newsletter, keep up what's going on with Maple. So then you can go here, the company, and click on the company, and it goes through. They're all, no one's hiding. No one's, try not to let people know who's running the show. There's no rug pull here. There's nothing. I mean, they're very legitimate. They're based out of Melbourne, Australia. You can see Sidney Powell, co-founder. Joe Flanagan's also the co-founder. You got Matt at CTO, and also Ryan, COO. You can see they're backed by some of the best Framework, Castle Island Inventors, Circle, Block Tower. So very legitimate, and they're going to be growing. I really think 2025 is going to be huge with the DeFi sector, institutional investing, lending, borrowing, into big whales, lots of money coming in, and it's going to be coming into the DeFi sector. You figure it's a multi-trillion-dollar sector, and right now Maple Finance only has 99 million. I think there's huge room for growth, and we'll go back to those numbers in a little bit. But here we go about the conversion. So you can just I got it at syrup.gitbook.io, and conversion guide. So, and it'll tell you all about it. Like if you're on different exchanges right now, Coinbase won't do it. So you'd have to send it to one of your wallets, like whether it's MetaMask or, Coinbase wallet. They'll go through here, right here. You can see all the wallets that are supporting with the Syrup web app to swap and stake if you want. You don't have to stake. Like Coinbase wallet, MetaMask. I used MetaMask, but also you could use Ledger, which is a hardware wallet, Exodus, Phantom, browser. So quite a few different wallets there. And then they tell you the conversion process on each exchange, depending where you're at. So you could go click on these links as well and see what they are. I know they said Coinbase isn't going to be doing it. So you'd have to get your Maple off of Coinbase to a wallet that allows you to do the conversion. So, but that's easy enough. So, and then you can see here, you have until the end of April to get this conversion done. Make sure you get it done, because after that, where it says, should the MPL patent, Maple holders will be able to convert until 30th of April. After this date, Syrup and ST Syrup will be the sole tokens within the Maple ecosystem that accrue all of the value, and it will be impossible for Maple or ex-Maple holders to convert over. MP-011 can be voted upon by both Syrup and ST Syrup holders, with the voting going live on December 23rd. So this has already happened. So you got to make sure you do this. So I've already done it. And like I said, if you end up buying more Maple right now, you got to make sure you convert it before the end of April. April 30th is the deadline of this year. Very important. So anyway, here you go. This is where you would go to convert. It's just syrup.fi/convert. And what happens is you'd be here. Just moving on here. First, you'd have to, wherever your Maple wallet is in, you first have to connect your wallet. And then once you connect your wallet, then it would allow you to convert. And what happens is when you go through the convert, staking is checked, so it would automatically stake it. If you don't want your your new Syrup token staked, I think it's like 5.5 or 5.8 rate right now. If you don't want it staked, make sure you uncheck that box, and it'll just convert your Maple into Syrup. And the conversion rate is 1 Maple token to 100 Syrup tokens. And the prices are pretty much, that split. Like right now, Syrup is at 13.15 cents, and I think the Maple token was at like $13.10. So they're very close to being, 1 to 100 rate. And it's easy, it's quick. And then what happens is your Maple will be converted into Syrup, and your Syrup token will now be in your wallet. So it's that simple. So anyway, let's go back to the numbers with Maple now. So here we are in the token, and it's Syrup token. So it's at 13.3 cents. You can see right now, we'll go down here. It's all-time low is 9 cents, which just happened at the beginning of this month. 9 cents Maple. That was incredible. Syrup token, all-time high was 33. And that's pretty much when it got launched. And that, of course, the peak of a lot of tokens at that point in November, December timeframe. You can see its trading range. 7-day was between 11 and 14 cents. Right now, it's on its rise. So, but look at this number. So like I said before, there's multi-trillion-dollar markets here that Maple is dealing with all the DeFi sector. So, and they're at 96 million. So if they 10x, we'll just call it 100 million. So if they 10x, that would put them at $1 billion market cap in a sector that is a multi-trillion-dollar sector. I really think that is possible. But so if it 10x, that would put it at like $1.30. Could this go bigger? What happens if it 100x'd and we're at a $10 billion market cap? And now it's at $13.13. Could that happen? I mean, I think, who knows? We'll see how this DeFi sector goes. But I really think we're going to see this as a $1 billion plus, maybe multi-billion dollar market cap token. I really do. It's at 467. They're really doing great things. You can see here also with Y convert, because now with the new token, there's yielding for lending and borrowing. There's staking, different rewards. Plus, it gives it much more utility. So big things are happening. So anyway, we're going to finish with the charts here. And here I am with the charts. You can see we're using 8-hour candle wicks because there's really not a lot of data. I'll go ahead and crunch that up real quick. You can see it just goes back, like I said, to November time frame. So this is what it kind of looks like. So we'll scrunch that up a little more. Right, you can see where it had like this double top up here, and then of course the whole market went down. But I think it definitely found its bottom down here. We had that one spike like down to 9 cents, but I think this like 10-cent range gave it some solid support here through this period of time, those few days. And then to me, it's on the move now. It's trying to rebound. So I think the biggest thing here now is right now, we'll just redo this real quick. Yeah, so this is the day chart. So we'll see what happens here. Right now, we're trying to use that 20-day moving average as support. Right around 13 cents, and where we're at just above 13 cents. So if that can hold, the next thing is get above this 50-day moving average at like 13.5 cents, 13.7 cents, somewhere in that range. We can do that. I think it would get back up to like the volume point of control here at 21, 22 cents pretty quickly. So I mean, if someone was trading that, to me, I would wait till you could, depending on what your stop loss is, if it broke up above like 14.5 cents, that's where I put the buy in, kind of confirm that the change in direction. And then from there, I really think it has a good chance to go back up to the volume point of control, which would be a quick 50% gain. And then you could phase out if it blows by that or if it gets rejected. Multiple things you could do with this trade. So if you're just looking for a trade, but again, I would be waiting until I have confirmation of the trend reversing. You don't want to try to buck the trend right now if you're buying the hold. So for me, I'm hoping that we get another spike down, probably around below 13 cents. Maybe we can get a quick wick down to like 12.5 cents, somewhere in there. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it for pricing. But I really think Maple Finance has the chance to have a huge gains this bull market. This could be one of these 1,000 to 10,000% gain tokens, anywhere in that range. If it was 5,000% gain, that would still put it at roughly 130. So that would definitely put it like around $6.50, $6.60 with the 5,000% gain. So that'd be a 50x. I'd put it around a $5 billion market cap. Let's look at the current market cap right now of all coins by market cap and where that would be. I mean, right now we're back down to $3 trillion market cap. Lots of fear in the markets. This is the time where I'm looking at buying some more Bitcoin. It's down below 90,000. So here we are. uh, even with how low we are, right? There's still 13 tokens that are over $10 billion. And there's still 30 tokens that are $5 billion or more for a market cap. Actually, yeah, 31. And then we still have over, so even if it just did a 10x, it would be barely making the top 100. It'd be like number 94, right? We have 93 tokens that are over $1 billion right now, market cap. And that's huge. So I really still think this market cap could still have a 3x. I really still think we're going to see a $10 trillion market cap or higher here. With all this institutional money coming in, of course, it's going to start with the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and that large cap coins, but it's going to filter down to mid cap and low cap. I think it's going to affect the whole market. It's just in the stages. So I really think Maple is going to be definitely in the top 100 at the peak of its bull market run. That's my prediction. That's what I think is going on with Maple Finance and its syrup token. Remember, make sure you do the conversion before the end of April from your Maple tokens to the syrup tokens. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit the bell notification, like, subscribe, leave a comment. All of that will really help us out. Thanks and have a great day.